Tom here with Cerakote, and I'd like to introduce Cerakote's professional ceramic paint coating. I've been in the auto refinishing and detailing industry for over 20 years, and as you know, choosing the right products for you and your customer is critical to your success as a professional detailer. Cerakote is the industry leader in manufacturing and innovation of liquid ceramic coatings, and today I'm really excited to show you Cerakote's professional ceramic paint coating. Our easy to apply professional ceramic paint coating provides unmatched gloss, slickness, water behavior, and durability that lasts for hundreds of washes. I'll guide you through some easy steps towards achieving that superior finish. First, one 30 milliliter bottle is suitable for most sedans, while larger vehicles such as a truck or SUV will require additional product. As you know, with any detailing process, it's important to be in a clean environment that's out of direct sunlight. Start the application with the vehicle's paint already corrected, which in this case included clay bar and paint correction. Finish the preparation by wiping the paint with isopropyl alcohol. This removes any residue from the paint correction process. You're going to shake the bottle for about 30 seconds. I'm using my preferred microfiber application pad and generously wetting the surface of that pad. Using a crosshatch application method, I like to work in 3-foot sections. Lastly, finishing off the edges of that section. Inspect the section to make sure there aren't any areas that have been missed, and touch up as needed. Then, start a timer for 5 minutes, after which you will perform the final buffing step. During this time, you will notice the coating will start to sweat or bead. This is normal. After the 5 minutes are up, begin buffing the surface using new high-quality microfiber cloths. I prefer the 2-towel buffing method. My first towel levels and removes any excess coating, while my second towel simply buffs to a deep shine. You'll want to apply additional coating to your applicator pad each time that you start a new section. The application pad should feel slick and glide across the surface. With each finished section, carefully review your work to ensure the surface has a brilliant shine and is free from any haze. Allow the coating to cure for a minimum of 2 hours at 65 degrees Fahrenheit or higher before returning to the customer or exposing to moisture. Additionally, allow the coating to cure for a full 24 hours at 65 degrees Fahrenheit or higher before washing. You've just finished applying the world's highest performing ceramic paint coating that will provide incredible gloss, slickness, and water behavior that lasts for hundreds of washes. As with all Cerakote products, we're here to help, and we'd love to hear from you with any questions or comments. Call, click, or scan to get in touch with us, and thank you again for finishing strong with Cerakote.